So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Stellar coin, ticker symbol XLM in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple app, go into your crypto trading account. Then once you're in your crypto trading account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass next to the dollar sign. Then once you're on this screen, just scroll down a little bit until you come across trending categories and then press on crypto right here. Then to buy Stellar coin, scroll down until you find ticker symbol XLM or Stellar, which is right here. Ticker symbol XLM, simply just press on it right there. Then when you're in this screen, go to the bottom and press on buy. Now to change it over from a market buy to a limit buy, go to the top here, press on market buy, and then just press on limit buy right here by just pressing on it simply like that. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to set a limit buy, select the price in which you're willing to pay. So as of right now, it is trading at 0.1361. If I'm only comfortable paying 0.1356, for example, just go ahead and press on that, then press on continue. Then on this screen, type in however much money you want to invest into Stellar coin. So I'll just type in $1 for this example, then press on continue. Then to confirm your purchase, all you got to do is press on confirm order at the bottom, and that's how you guys can limit buy Stellar coin, ticker symbol XLM in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.